Ethics in AI is a crucial topic that requires thoughtful consideration as we navigate the moral challenges presented by artificial intelligence. As AI becomes increasingly pervasive in our lives, it is essential to address the ethical implications that arise from its deployment. Privacy is a fundamental concern in the age of AI. The collection and use of personal data raise questions about consent, data security, and the potential for surveillance. Safeguarding individual privacy while harnessing the power of AI is a delicate balance that requires robust privacy frameworks and ethical guidelines. Bias in AI systems is another significant ethical concern. Machine learning algorithms are trained on large datasets, which may inadvertently contain biases embedded in the data. This can result in unfair or discriminatory outcomes, such as biased decision-making in hiring or lending processes. Mitigating bias in AI algorithms and ensuring fairness and equality are paramount to building ethical AI systems. The potential consequences of AI decision-making also warrant careful consideration. As AI systems make autonomous decisions, it is essential to assess their impact on individuals and society as a whole. Ensuring that AI aligns with human values, respects human rights, and promotes societal well-being is crucial for responsible AI development and deployment. Transparency and explainability are key principles in ethical AI. It is essential to understand how AI systems arrive at their decisions and to provide explanations that can be understood and scrutinized by humans. Transparent AI fosters trust and accountability, allowing users and stakeholders to assess the fairness and reliability of AI systems. Balancing innovation with societal well-being is a core ethical challenge. While AI brings immense potential for innovation and progress, it is vital to ensure that its development and deployment prioritize the well-being of individuals and communities. Ethical considerations should guide AI advancements to avoid negative consequences and ensure that AI benefits society as a whole. In our upcoming videos, we will delve deeper into the ethical considerations surrounding AI. We will explore topics such as algorithmic transparency, fairness in AI, and the ethical implications of AI in various domains. These discussions will provide valuable insights and perspectives on navigating the ethical challenges posed by AI. Stay tuned for more in-depth discussions on ethics in AI. Don't miss out on these invaluable AI insights that shape the responsible development and use of artificial intelligence. Thank you for watching and joining us on this enlightening journey into the realm of ethics in AI.